welcome back to Cooking Marie's Way. In today's video, I'll be reviewing HelloFresh. So HelloFresh is a fresh meal delivery service that was founded in Germany. They have meal kit services in the United States, Canada, Australia, and different other places. So check it out on Google to see if they provide it in your area. But anyways, let's get into the video. So you have the option of choosing your meals before it's delivered. I chose 3 meals this week. One of the meals that I chose was a turkey burger with like mushrooms and potatoes. So follow the instructions to the T. Step 1, step 2, and so forth. And I'm using pliers and prep the thing so that way it's easier. And follow the instructions, prep everything so that way it's easily to assemble. So tonight's dinner was a turkey burger, which was amazing. I would give this meal a 15 out of 15. Like, I will continue to use HelloFresh because it was convenient. It was tasty. The only con is it's a bit pricey, but I think if you want variety, you want to stay the course of eating healthy, having great options, this is a great meal service, and I would recommend HelloFresh to anybody. I also have shrimp tacos for the upcoming days, and I can't wait to try, y'all. I really love HelloFresh, and I had to tell y'all about it. So here I am prepping one of the dipping sauce that would go on the burger, and I would dip with my fries. I think it was like mayo, mustard, and sour cream, like salt and pepper. Usually it's like a pinch of salt and pepper. For like salt and pepper, they wouldn't add it to the kit because that's an essential, or like that's a staple or whatever in your home. So I went ahead and washed my produce and chopped them up. I'm not a fan of mushrooms, so I just added just a sprinkle, just a little bit on top, 2 or 3 pieces. Anyways, so I'm showing you all that they told me to roast the potatoes, but I'm not doing that because it takes too long, so I did it in the air fryer as if it was in the oven. You get my gist? Get it? Anyways, so now I'm about to prep the mushrooms and heat up some butter in a pan, and I'm going to saute them with salt and pepper, I think for like 5 or 6 minutes, the instructions stated. Now that I have sauteed my mushrooms, I'm going to set them on the side. And at this point, my potatoes are already in the air fryer, so that is almost finished. And I'm gonna cook my turkey burgers. I used the frying seasoning packet that the kit provided, HelloFresh provided, and I cooked my turkey burgers to the way I like it, which is well done. I went ahead and added my Swiss cheese on top, and I made like a garlic butter for the bread that they also provided to toast your bun. And I'm really gonna do that. Like, when I really make a burger on my own, it's basically butter and garlic powder, sorry, and you put it on top of the bread and you toast it for a couple of minutes. That was amazing. So here I am assembling my turkey burger, and when I tell you this burger was amazing, I feel like I had it from a restaurant. Like, I'm not lying to y'all. Like, this burger was so juicy and quite amazing. I would give this dish 15 out of 15. And I'm going to continue to use HelloFresh. I hope you all give it a try. Try HelloFresh and tell me what y'all think in the comments. And the thing I really enjoy and like about HelloFresh, every week the meals are different. So you can choose based off of your preferences, based off of your diet. There's meat and veggie. There's vegetarian, pescatarian. So yeah, and you can see the different ingredients and options that they provide every week. So That way you suit you and you're content with your decision. I hope you give HelloFresh a try, and I hope you love it as much as I did. I'll see y'all next time, and let me know in the comments if y'all get to try it. Bye. Love y'all.